Yo, what is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are showing you guys one of my favorite things of the year, and that is Black Friday deals 2018. I love this time of year because you get so many crazy deals on clothes, and it's basically time for me to stack up on stuff for like the next 6 months. Today I'm going to be showing you guys deals from all the hottest brands. I'm going to show you guys just literally I'm going to show you guys how to save so much money. I got a ton of stuff already here to showcase before the sales go live. I have my own personal shirt that I'm going to be dropping on this coming Thursday. I have not dropped a merch shirt in I don't know how long, and this is a collab piece with HFLA. We'll talk about that in a second. But this year, I want to call this next month of gift giving before Christmas comes as Holiday Hype. This is basically going to be a series of videos on holiday hype, on the best things to get for holidays. I'm going to show you guys gift guides, all different things like that, and call it hashtag Holiday Hype. And to go along with this series, we're going to be doing giveaways, of course. So today, we are having a giveaway brought to you by PacSun. PacSun actually sent me a bunch of stuff from their sale before the sale goes live that I get to showcase to you guys, but we're going to be giving away a $250 gift card for the PacSun website. All you have to do for that is, number one, you have to subscribe to the channel. Number two, you have to follow me, and you have to follow PacSun on Instagram. And then number three, comment down below what you would buy with the gift card. PacSun has so many different great brands. They have Champion, they have Kappa, they have their own personal denim brands, all kinds of great stuff that I'm gonna show you in this box right here. I picked out some fire. You guys can get a $250 gift card for free just by commenting and following and subscribing. So if you're not already subscribed and you're not subscribing for the giveaway, make sure you turn on post notifications, because later this week I have an insane video coming out that you do not want to miss, and there's gonna be a pretty big give back in that video as well for you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just break all this stuff down. We got so much to show you guys. I'm so excited. Let's go. So the first deal that we're going to be showing you guys is actually from PacSun, and I'm so excited that they reached out and they wanted to work together on this Black Friday video to show you guys some of the deals. PacSun's already got some of the deals going on currently right now. They're online and in store, and they will be adding and changing stuff throughout the week. So if you guys want to just keep an eye out, this is some of the current stuff that they're offering, so you guys can check any of this out. These are some of my favorite picks off the website, and I can't wait to show you. Of course, I'm going to show you guys all this stuff on, and again, you can get all this stuff with that gift card if you want to. Go ahead and enter that giveaway. Just looked at the invoice, and some of these things are 50% off or even more. So let's go ahead. Oh, look at all this stuff. I'm so excited. First thing up, I went ahead and picked out this Adidas track jacket. They're going to have a huge selection of sale on the jackets. Now, this one was $180 regularly, and I think it was marked down to $108. This jacket is literally such nice quality. Here's the Adidas jacket right here. This one's a little bit bigger, but this is like a hiking windbreaker jacket. Adidas, this is such great quality. Got the nice multicolor going on, the blues, the blacks, nice color paneling. A really big fan of this right here. We got some other stuff in here. This is one of the shirts that I already opened. Nice Polaroid shirt. You guys know I'm into the photography side of things. It's a nice color. It's got the checkers on the side. This actually would look crazy with these shoes right here. All the color blocking. You guys know I'm all about that. Look at this pop right here, man. We got some Guess stuff that's going to be on sale. This Guess jeans shirt. I had this exact shirt in white actually previously. I believe this is the same one. Really nice maroon Guess shirt right there. Like the look of that. Ooh, it's an oversized fit with a nice thicker neck. Bruh, look at this bomber. I'm so hyped on this. This is an Obey bomber. It's like a leopard print, or it's like a puffer bomber. Why did I say bomber? Puffer coat. Tell me this thing is not nuts. Bruh, winter's here. Like, it was freezing where I live, and this thing is crazy. We got two more shirts in here. This one I actually wore yesterday because I really like the way they look. We got all white with the pink Adidas logo, and on the back, kind of like a vintage graphic going on. I really like the way that this looks. Just one of my favorite combinations. I wore these with some off-white shoes. And then we have this nice, I think this is a, yes, this is a reverse weave Champion crew neck. Check this out. The Champion all over print. Super dope. Lots of Champion stuff is going to be on the sale as well. And this is a size large. Champion reverse weave is by far my favorite fitting crew necks and hoodies for the price. They're around $60 to $80 normally, and my hair. And this, the fit, like, this kind of looks like a holiday sweater. That looks so crazy on camera. So I got two pairs of pants. We got the Black Carpenter slim pants and then the PacSun cargo. Now, both of these are PacSun brand. This pant right here, like, this is one of the trends that I've seen coming the past 2 months. PacSun is always so quick to get on and get like those good prices. So you can see the cargos I've been wearing for a while. These ones right here have the nice tie down at the bottom. You got the cargo pocket here, and then it has the adjustableness on the waist. It's that nice loose fit with the whole utility look that's going on right now. I think that's just a huge thing in streetwear, is the utility look. So these pants right here are going to be definitely ones I'm going to be throwing on. These were marked down to $21. Holy, that is literally 20 bucks for a pair of pants. And then last is these slim carpenter pants. Basically, it's like a slim, loose-fitting pant, which is kind of one of the other trends that I've been seeing going around is just that loose-fitting pant. You guys have seen me wearing that too. Just kind of the whole dad trend. This is a 30-32, and these were $19.98. So you guys got to keep checking on the deals in there because there might be stuff that even pop up that you didn't even see here. Definitely go check it out. There'll be a link in the description if you want to go ahead and see all that. I tried to show you guys all the stuff on me as well. Now let's go ahead and jump to the next part, which is going to be talking about my custom shirt, the first merch that I've dropped in so long. Let's do it. One of the biggest sales of the year is going to be the SSENSE sale, and it is finally here. It dropped earlier than I expected, like a whole 2 days earlier. So if you guys don't know, SSENSE basically sells all the huge designer brands. Twice a year usually, sometimes 3, they do a ginormous sale starting at 50% off. What this means is it starts at 50 right now. In a few days, those savings will go to 60%, the ones that don't sell, then it'll go to 70, and then sometimes it goes to 80% off. So this is one of the main ones, as well as Barney's New York. SSENSE is the one that we look to the most, and this is the one that I push the most. So we're gonna look through some of the different things that they have, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I am getting this year, or things that I want, because I had somebody pick out a bunch of stuff for a video, and hopefully they pick some of the things that I like. I have somebody that's already put an order in for like $2,000 worth of stuff, so you guys have to wait and see how crazy that's gonna be. I don't even know what it is yet, so if you can get that hint. I just wanna look over some of the main different brands right now that you guys know, just some of the favorite deals that I'm seeing right now. So one of the first ones, I'm just gonna click on them. Hold on. Wow, Gucci is already sold out. There's nothing left for Gucci apparently. There was Gucci on here earlier, 100%. All right, so let's check out some of these deals. Balenciaga, their retail prices are very high, but they still do offer some things that are all right, like this shirt right here. I really like it. 450 retail down to 315, so it's only 30% off. Looking how they have a full size run, I think this one is probably gonna go down to like 60% off, I think eventually, because I don't think it's gonna sell out at 315. Balenciaga also has some weird different accessories. You can get this wristband right here for 120 bucks. Speedrunner shoes are on sale. This is down to 570, 24% off, which is not too bad. And again, SSENSE has free shipping, which is absolutely insanely fast. Gets them usually in like a day, and they have free returns. So that's a good thing about SSENSE. If you decide you don't really like it, they do have free shipping and returns. Balenciaga just is a little bit too expensive for me. And one of the brands that I always show off, and one that I really like, is Off-White. And they have some pretty decent stuff. So let's go discount high to low. If you're gonna say under 100 bucks, you have a good selection of different phone cases. Those have been like, they're only like $14 off, nothing crazy. Socks are $10 off. Again, those will probably drop more later on if you want to wait. I don't think that those are going to sell out anytime soon. Some might, but I would wait on those. This hat is $87. Last year it went down to $50. So I remember that it was up to 75% off, I think. We have this belt right here. It's about $130. I would say that one is probably going to go a little bit more in discount. Now, as far as clothing goes, shirts are not down too much. They're like 30 bucks discounted. I really like this shirt here. If you guys didn't see, I did a video and I got one of these down to $237, 100 bucks off, 27%. Pretty much have all the sizes. So I think that this one will probably be one that will probably go a little bit more on sale. The Mona Lisa is about 24% off. This will not go on sale. There's only one medium left, so that is a more desired item and will not go out of stock. This one too. So some of the more popular lines, they won't go any more on sale, but it is good to get, you know, just that discount alone. 17% off. This one will probably 100% go on more discount. There's some for Off-White. We got Burberry. Burberry has a bunch of cool stuff. And then another brand like Yeezy. I don't know if you guys are still into Yeezy. They have some of the Calabasas shirts. This one's down to 170. So you got a nice 30% off. It's not too bad. These are some good quality stuff through Yeezy. Geez, things are, on here earlier, there was a different shirt and apparently it's already gone. Military boot down to 358. Not my favorite. And then this sweatshirt is down to 200. So that's basically it on SSENSE. I'm gonna link some of my favorite deals down below for SSENSE. Stone Island as well. Not too much big discounts on here unless you're looking at bigger jackets. But on Barney's, their Black Friday sale has started as well, and there's up to 40% off now. One of the brands that I think would be a really good deal is going to be Stone Island XO. There are a lot of different pieces on here that are 40% off, so price low to high. We have this crew neck right here, $129. That's a really nice crew neck. The quality on Stone Island is really nice. 41% off, 41% off sweatpants. So if you're really looking to get into some Stone Island, like this 40% off is a good deal. This, I might have to pick this up myself. This thing looks like I'm spending more money. 40% off. That, like, Stone Island is a brand that is really high quality, and that's why I like stuff like that. Dang, haven't even seen some of this stuff. So you got some like this Off-White hoodie right here, $829. It's still very expensive. They got 30% off this. They did not have this over at SSENSE, so that's 300 bucks. I think these will drop in price. I think there's still like a considerable amount to drop in price. We got a pair of Gucci slides that are 50% off. That's pretty good. I would definitely look into those. There's a few sizes left, so they probably will not drop anymore. Some like Gucci ties, but and again, the t-shirts are around 300. Off-White is still gonna stay up there. I would say some of the t-shirts will drop. I saw last year one of the long sleeves was like $200 off. Keep an eye out on that. I'm gonna be updating links as they come come around, like link of this video, so definitely look out for that. Let's just go to the sale and look at the biggest discount. Again, I'm gonna be linking some of my favorite from the Barney sale down below as well. I got a few more deals for you guys because there's just so much stuff to go over. So I have to give a huge shout out to T Blake. He runs this page called Kicks Under Cost, and if you want to follow that, you can see some of the more deals as they go live. There's one of the deals that he put up that I thought I'd love to share with you guys was this NMD promo. You can get a pair of NMDs for $35. There's a code running, so let's say I actually really like these. They're not the ones that are 70, but these are actually nice. It's like a nubuck material. All right, so let's say you're a size 5. Add it to cart. NMD 50, $40. That is 1/4 of the price. NMD 50 gets you 50% off any of the NMDs on the page. That is absolutely insane. So I'll be linking that below. Some of the cheapest ones like these right here you can get for $35. $35 for a pair of NMDs. Boost is very comfortable. I think that's an amazing deal. Also want to run down a few of the items that are going to be online coming up this next Thursday and Friday and the next few days that aren't live yet, but I want you guys to prepare so you guys can know exactly what to expect. First one's gonna be H&M. They typically go up to 70% off. ASOS is the next one. They're gonna be going around 20% off everything on the website, and then they have some other deals that are a little bit more, but 20% usually is guaranteed. If you want to do some hype sneakers, Stadium Goods usually does about 5% off the entire website. Now they usually have a little bit higher prices than most places like StockX, so you're probably gonna be paying around the same as StockX prices. But you can try to find some deals. Like if you look hard enough, you'll be able to find something pretty decent. Two other ones for designers are going to be Neiman Marcus and Saks Fifth Avenue. Neiman Marcus goes live on November 23rd. Saks Fifth Avenue goes live on November 24th. They're gonna be around 50% off like these other places like SSENSE. Footlocker is also doing a Black Friday sale already. You can see some NMDs down to $70, Ultra Boost 150. One of the pairs that I really like this year, and you can see it behind me, is this utility Air Force One that is released in a few different colors. There's these, which is a crazy, but Off-White is coming out with this same colorway of an Air Force One, so I thought this would be one you guys might like. They have a black one, they have a white one, I think they have a gray one and a green one. These are $100. They are not on sale at this current moment. You can see like them right here. I think these might jump on sale. They are relatively new, but they might jump on sale. But there are tons of different Air Force Ones you can get that are on sale right now. We got some up to 30-40% off. You can get this one. It's like the same translucent yellow. If you don't want too much, you can get a little bit of white underneath. I would just say keep an eye on the Footlocker website and just keep refreshing maybe, you know, every day and see if they add new stuff. Those are gonna be the main ones right now that we're gonna look at on the computer. We're gonna be doing something special this year. So I haven't dropped any merch in a very long time, and I'm doing a collab piece with HFLA. This year we're going to be doing an exclusive Black Friday only merchandise shirt for me. I've not done merch in literally like 2 years. This is going to be dropping on Thursday, and this is only gonna drop on Black Friday. This is the only time to buy this shirt, and after that, that's it, they're gone. So this shirt, I think there might be multiple colorways, but the main one that I love and cannot wait to show you guys, I actually get my own shirt in 2 days. The design of this shirt is basically a collab with HFLA and Harrison Nevel. It says Harrison Nevel, HFLA, has a Super 8 camera on the front. On the back, it has a nice vintage computer, and it says Notification Gang Black Friday only. This shirt is going to be absolutely insane. It's also going to be vintage wash, which is like the main wash I've been wearing so much lately, so I'm so excited for that. The collaboration shirt is going to be $40 as well. Now, I've got a huge package full of some HFLA stuff right here that I'm going to show you guys, just some of my favorite pieces, because there's going to be so much you can get. Here's a couple of the different hats that they have, the tan. You got this one right here, the HFLA. You got a few of the hoodies right here, just some nice essential hoodies, one in gray and one in olive. One of my favorite things that they dropped this year are these shoulder bags. This is one, get these high quality metal clasps right there. Just a nice shoulder bag. Oh, it's upside down. Look at that, both of the bags. These are just very sleek, good material. HFLA always has a really good quality, and it's honestly very fairly priced. These are some of the joggers with the new tapered stripe down the side. You see the jogger right there, tan, super nice colorway, good zippers right here. Some of these new plaid pants. These are a cropped pant. They got the stripe down the side in this nice plaid material. Again, HFLA always coming out with the killer stuff. Got the zippers of the pockets, and then again, you have some of the drawstring. Here's one of the bomber options you can get. Look at this silk bomber. You got the heart there, crazy love on the back. Got a few more pieces to show you guys. Just for example, this matching plaid top that goes with the track pants. I have not even seen this yet. It's got the stripe going down here, and we got the matching top to those joggers from before. So lit. And then of course, as always, they have some of the older pieces if you guys haven't seen. Pink windbreaker, and then you got some of the sweat track pants right here, baby blue. So with all this stuff, they're going to be offering care packages with a little bit of incentive for each one. So there's 4 different care packages. The first one, the starter, is a $140 value for $55. One hat, 1 bag, and 1 t-shirt. The bottoms only pack $125 for 1 hat and 3 premium bottoms, $300 value. The next is $125 as well, $300 value, 1 hat, 2 premium tops, 1 shirt or hoodie. And then the big package, which will be $160 with free shipping in the USA, $500 value, 1 hat, 1 bag, 2 pairs of pants, and 2 premium tops. Now, other than that, they're having 40% off site-wide. This does not apply to the care packages or the merch shirt, and the merch shirt is going to run for $40. So there's a lot of crazy stuff going on through HFLA. I'll link all of it down below, some of my favorite pieces, and hopefully you guys can see how everything looked on me, the B-roll shots. Okay, for the last part of this video, I'm gonna be breaking down the mystery boxes and the deals going on for mystery boxes because I know a lot of you guys are interested in that sort of thing. So first off, I'm gonna be releasing my own 2 mystery boxes that are essentially gonna be 50% off what you would typically pay for a mystery box. This is going to be on my website, which is currently down at this current moment because I'm rebuilding it. But basically, I'm gonna be doing 2 mystery boxes in specific sizes filled with all Hypebeast mystery things for $500, and you're going to get $1,000 value in each of those boxes. Now, I'm gonna be throwing a little bit of goodies here and there, but there's going to be clothes, there's going to be Supreme, there's going to be all sorts of stuff, Hypebeast, whatever. You might even get some sneakers in there. And I'm limiting this to 2 just because that's a lot of different inventory I have to put into a specific box. But this is going to be things that come from different mystery boxes I've got previously, or mystery boxes that I'm going to get in the future that you guys might see in a few weeks, because I do have a ton of mystery boxes that come in all the time. Other than that, a website called Soul Steals, which I have my first mystery box coming from them this week, is going to be dropping a ton of different mystery boxes on their site for Black Friday. Now, these aren't going to be discounted, but they don't often drop mystery boxes, so I thought, you know what, I have to show you guys and let you guys know that they're going to be dropping stuff. They want to let me know that they're dropping like a massive amount of mystery boxes, so I will link those down below when they do drop on, I think it's going to be Thursday or Friday. I forgot to explain exactly what Soul Steals is, but basically it is a membership based website where you go on, you become a member for a monthly fee, and then you get access to exclusive drops that are around 40% off the market value. Now, for the mystery boxes, they're going to be crazy deals, and that's why I want to let you guys know that. So when they do load them up, you have to be a member in order to buy them, but you guys will have to see in the video coming up when I do a Soul Steals mystery box how much it is worth it, because I had to pay full price and everything. There's no discounts, absolutely nothing. I paid the full amount for the box, so you'll see what we get when that time comes. And then lastly, the website Laced Up, you guys have probably seen before from the mystery boxes that I do. They're not currently doing any of the different, like a different promotion for Black Friday. They're just going to be doing the same promotions they always do for me, Nevel 10, and I think it's 10% off if you spend over $100. So I'm gonna be sharing that down below, and I asked them if they're doing any deals, but they said they can't even keep up with all the mystery boxes that you guys are buying and everybody else is buying, so they are sticking to that kind of typical percentage off that they've been doing. That's gonna wrap it up for this video though. If you guys did enjoy this Black Friday video, let me know in the comments down below. That's gonna wrap it up. I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison, signing out.